So, all right, I'm gonna tell you something. One thing you're doing on defense is wrong is that you're putting your hands up when you get hit.
Yeah.
Okay, take it to your hip. Bring your hip to your elbows. Okay. Another thing too is that you're using your jab to stay away. You need to make your jab as your entrance. Give me the water. Open it. Use your jab for your entrance. Don't use it as an exit, bro. Okay. You're doing good. You just gotta tighten up on your defense, bring it to your hips, and then use your jab as an entrance. You can get there. And his body's way too big. Why aren't you hitting that? Okay, come on. Work smart. Entrance, not an exit. Come on, baby. There we go. There it is. See? When you apply, it works. You good?
What happened? I need a spit.
Oh. He needs a spit bucket.
There you go, bro.
I thought there was one in that corner. Right there, Kwame, right here.
Thanks for not spitting in the ring.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do that shit.
Hey, you know how many guys have had to do that?
Yeah, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna do that.
Thank you.
All right, John. Beautiful. There it is. I love it. There we go. You said you could do this all day, right? Show me that. Come on, baby. There it is. There it is, baby. That body's open. There it is. I told you. Again. There it is. You came here to flirt, right? You came here for work, right?
I'm doing the shit I'm telling you. Jab. Step in the jab.
You got this all day, right?
Step in.
Come on, Kwame.
Not back. Come forward. 1, 2, bang. Go. There it is.
We want them planes, right?
Go. Stay in there. Keep coming. Are you Benavides or plant? Stay in there. Put your hands up. Come forward. 1, 2. Where's the stick?
There we go, baby.
Where's the stick? Your jab.
Tighten up, though. Tighten up. Tighten up. Tighten up. Tighten up. Tighten up.
I triggered.
Hey, we ain't trying to do that. I know you slipped. I'm not saying you were hurt. I know you weren't hurt. But we're here about safety, man.
Yeah.
Yep. It's good.
I slipped back.
It's all good. It's all good.
Protect each other.
Guys, that's big, bro.
You good?
Yeah.
Let's
If
go.
you did the same thing, I did the same thing back.
Finish off the round.
But that's how you fight, Benavides.
There we go.
Don't step back, Benavides.
There we go.
Don't step back, Benavides. Stop.
Tighten up. Tighten up. Kwame, you bring their hands, your elbows to your hips.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you this later on, but I'm telling you right now.
Oh, whoop my ass later, please.
You did good.
Whoop my ass, bro.
This is the last one, though.
So how about the outside?
Probably like this.
Look at how we get this.
Oh, I got it.
Step, step, but still, like, I think it's fine. You'll find it, right?
Hey, coach, we're gonna call it.
So as he's throwing one, I push him.
Hey, coach, we're gonna call it.
Okay, let's get a picture.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let's get a picture. It's up to you guys.
Do you want to roll another one? You sure? It's up to you, bro. I mean, I just want to make sure you have fresh legs, bro.
Here's the thing.